Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to save Excel sheets separately. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. If you have multiple sheets in an Excel workbook, you may need to save only one sheet as a separate workbook. To do this, right-click on the name of the sheet you want to save, select Move or Copy. In the window that opens, click on the Move Selected Sheets to Book drop-down menu and select New Book. Click OK and your new workbook will open with the moved worksheet and delete from the old one. If you want to save your worksheet in both workbooks, the old one and the new one, don't forget to check the Create a Copy box in the Move or Copy window and click OK. And now the current sheet will be in both new and old books. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.